Abadala bafuna umsindo emajaridini Ethishini thola ama-signature Abadala bafuna umsindo emajaridini Ngabe uyasizwa na Ngabe ziyafika na izikhalo zethu Baba singabantwana bakho
Sisuka kude kakhulu olusuku oluhle bakithi baphina futhi igama langilungisana komnqubo ngizama ungabe mude ngoba bengaplananga speech futhi angikwazi ukuplana speech siyacela ukuthi umamkhulu Puleng ezokwamukela abantu abadala nathi sonke naye sicela ukuthi asukume singishayele ingoma ukuthi mayisukuma nje sishaya ingoma thina nathi sonke ngoba siyasonta ngiyacela ukuthi umamkhulu Puleng asasukuma sishaya ingoma siceliswe lapho ngiqinise bakithi
ngiyabikile konke khona la endlini ngamandla kaNkulunkulu usiphumelele nami ngisuke ekudeni eGoli kodwa ngiyabonga uNkulunkulu ungifikisile la ekhaya ngifisa ukufika kodwa ngathi ngizofika kanjani kodwa ngiyababongela abantwana ekhaya laba balakile ukuthi nathi masiguga sokugugela khona ngoba amandla wasekho sesithembe kubo sengisele nabo manje ngiyababongela nginamukela nidle nijabe nihambe niyoswima lapha siyabonga kakhulu nginamukela la ekhaya kaMsimandi
siyabonga kakhulu umkhulu mina ngimazele eGoli uyangixaka manje usela ave njiza ngezinto besacela umamNcandumo esukume naye umama wethu esayidini lelikababa ngoba usasengumama wethu naye sicela esukume naye akushoyo nje officially
Ngiyabingelela nonke egameni lenkosi ngithi namukelekile mina ngumamncane kaSimele sisibomakhelwane azale planeke kodwa nje like 5 minutes away angazi nje uNkulunkulu wasibeka yazi mabathi ngibeke la uthanda khona so siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nidele imvula nahamba nanethwa sithi nje namukelekile kaMtimande and siyabonga ukuthi usiphilele uyakwazi ukuthi ahlale la namhlanje ahleke yazi okay so siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi uNkulunkulu usiphilele kulana guys namukelekile nonke enjalo
Sabo ngathi shesha kakhulu iprogram ngisebele sidanse ayisha kakhulu siyabonga kakhulu mama besacela uAnphindi naye eshesha amancane umama wethu from kaMama ngazi babhayele kanje ngizobafundisa iprogram but ayimanje
Besamangele bathi anti.
uma
Kuba wena Ngiyajabula ukuthola le thuba yokuthi ngizokhuluma ngesiphilelo. Angizange ngizokhuluma ngomuntu engizwe bathi uSiphilele wakhula ase-primary wakhula waba usisi waba responsible for umamakhe. Abosisi bakhe bangeklasi esikolweni babuya ngama-holidays. Wafunda ukuwasha. Yabona uSiphilele legama elithi Siphilele lisho ukuthi siphilele vele. Akaphili ngepenalty. Uphila akaphili ngomusa. Uphila ngoba kufanele asiphilele. Sinengakhulu izinto abuye kuzo. Kahle kahle uSiphilele fanele ngabe usemgwaqeni angazi kuphi. But ngoba uNkulunkulu ube nama-chance amaningi okwenza whatever afuna ukuyenza. Kodwa wakwazi ukuthi azikhulele nomama nobaba, umama ngekho right. Yazi ngizokhuluma kakhulu. Cela ngizela ni-3. And this is my answers. Ngizele whatever. Noma ngabe ngiyifuna. Ningakhohlwa ukuthi ngibantwana bakaNkulunkulu. Lokho engikwenzayo angikwenzi ngoba ingqondo kwabantwana. Angikwenzi ngoba kufanelekile. Umusa. uNkulunkulu engenza. Yabona lo. Yabona uhlala phansi. Yabona lo sesilo. Incident yokugcina. Accident. Wavuka sashonile uSiphilele. Sibebuye so isibhedlela. Uthi hambani. Nishiye lethu siphamandla. Mina ngingahamba nonke. Lethe nishiye nalo. Sisabuza ukuthi ayisikushiya nalo wenze njani? Avela unesi sasinaye abaleke. Akithina sazi ukwenzakalana. But i-situation eyenzeka leso sikhathi nakabaleka unesi uyobuza abanye. Usisi wami lo omunye uyakhuleka ababoni bona mina. Ngiyamthinti aqala athi simfaka amasolisi uyabani. Hey vele umuntu nasathi uyabani yabani. Usikuthi uhani. Sikhuleke bazalwane. Asikhulekelanga ukuthi uSiphilele ahambe kahle. Sasikhulekela ukuthi inkosi thina ngendlela esikukhonza ngayo. Manje sibonakalisa uSiphilele uyavuka manje. La angavuka uSiphilele kusho ukuthi wena awukho. Sakhala bazalwane sakhala. Athulile uSiphilele athule. Ababoni laba beme ngaphandle basilindile ukuthi abomancane bayaphuma. Thina sibhekene nesimo la akekho ozoyobabiza ukuthi wozani nizobona. Kuyabheda bazalwane. Okokuqala nje nasiseze endleleni basifonela. Udokotela sina sifonela udokotela athi hayi uright. Bathi nikuphi? Kusho ufuna ukuthi sibe sesikhona la whatever ezowenza. Hey mkhulu uNkulunkulu Siphilele. Awuphiliswanga uNkulunkulu awuphiliswanga uphiliswe ilegama. Abazali bakho bathina bathi Siphilele kunengo safanele ukwenza mntanami. Engicelayo ngomlakho uJehova. Ngomlakho uJehova. Ngibonile hamba nawe amncane. Angibona nokuthi uya-understand ukushona kwamamakhe ukuthi kwabuhlungu kangakanani because wayinamzele. ukugulelwa umama uwumntwana yikho into ebuhlungu ngaleyo. Kodwa siyababonga labantwana boyi-3. Ubaba vele bekuyi-responsibility yakhe. Laba bebabancane bafunda badinga umama kodwa bona bebawumama kumama. Hey, my friend's wife, asinazi kodwa siyanazi ngokuthi akukhulule. Siyabonga sebeyazi njengoba size la i-birthday siyabonga. Sibonga kamampela yazi siyabonga kamampela sisi. Kuningi ngabe kuyi-Christmas bekulona uyayibona nje bekukuningi besingahlala sithi ayisikhathele kuyi-Christmas kodwa because sizobona kahle kahle lento bekufanele yenziwe yithi sibonge uNkulunkulu ngawe. Siyabonga siyabonga uNkulunkulu sisekhaya. Yabona njengoba kunje amanye amakhaya nasekuhamba bazala yavandalaza uNkulunkulu ngakule isiphilele ngakule mara-ke thina-ke nangazi kuhlukane singake sikuze ukuthi ngoba thina sazi ukuthi inyoni siyaphefumulana siyakhanya uphiwa ngeke abe nemoto usiphilela seli-transport fanele ubone ukuthi siyasizana ngabo bonke i-TV yabona nje siyabona nakungathiwa nje uNkulunkulu sokuhlala lekhulukwana kaseze ekhaya singakumangalela lokho ngoba ngeke size siyomfuna lokumfuna ngoba uzoba isidecide. Yabona njengoba nibhale nithi ni-3 what 3 what hlala ninjalo njengesekhaya last ngasikhathi sisekhaya sivula manje ngakhuluma nani ngathi ukuthi umakasekho thina sizela abafana asibaza bomakoti bayosenza so thina nasikhule njengoba sichuga nje kumanje asiye home abantwana bethu bonke baningi amantombazana akhona asiye home thina singumama benu fanele ubone wena ukuthi ngiphelelaphi kule kufanele ubone ukuthi ngiphelelaphi phiwe ubone ukuthi siphelelaphi thina singumama abafana at least abomama mkhulu banaba bonhlanhla bazababona inaba abontata bazasibona but what if mina ngigula umamkhulu uyakhula uya-understand what ngisho. So umndeni awulahlani umndeni uyaphakamisana awuthi na ubona umntana kini angafundanga or angasebenzi or ini uyacheka ukuthi ngingasiza ngani laphaya usiyakhuphulana into esithole la sigcine yabonakala ukuthi ayamentombazana yakhiphile kahle kahle ngabe ngicela ukumshaya manje ngoba nami yazi mama ukhona bantwana mawukhona ukhona
Amen.
uyahamba uyakwazi ukuzenzela into yakho itofu lobaba ozokumoshela amafilisi mawufikile umshado ngoba sekashadile sekashadile nawe sokuvengathela ibhuti sokufuna ukushada uNkulunkulu njalo akusise uye kahle umshado akulona ijele ne nokuthi ungaphili kaninani uyabona manje nikhululekile niphila kaninani na uNkulunkulu emsebenzini phela hey esoma siyabonga
Ngizohamba
Siyabonga mama, siyabonga mamazi, omama bethu sebekhulumile, abadala sebekhulumile. Siyabonga bakithi ngamagama enwaphususwethu. Amagama enwaphususwethu aphathina futhi awethu nathi siyabhenefitha kakhulu ukuba khona. Ngicela nokubonga kakhulu ngabantu abadala nokuthi nize nifike namhlanje osukwini lamngani wami na usukwini lethu.
Lamngani nami.
Uthi kusho lokho. Bathi ngiyabonga kakhulu bazali bakithi. Niyasibonisa izinto eziningi nathi ngoba sihlezi sila siyajabula ukuba nani even imvula injena. Ngicela ukuqhubeka ngephambili neprogram yami. Ngiyazi niyaqala ukubona MC oqimbile but ngiseqhubeka. Ngicela abangani base high school uminenhle nokuhle ukuthi besukume nabo bezosho nje amagama amancane njengabangani ke manje ukuthi bona bathini bakithi. Ngicela uminenhle nje ngaze vike ngokuhle. Ngicela uminenhle nje ukuhle.
Oh mamna ngizohamba
ngijonge
It's been a privilege to see you grow from high school to now. Mina hlahla ngisiyumngani uSister Siphilele. uSister Siphilele nasekhaya amazi nala ekhaya sebeyangazi. Noma kwewathatha isikhathi ukuthi sifike la. Kodwa into engithandile ngawe mnganami, you are very accommodating. Ekutheni i-friendship yethu has evolved. Asafani njengase-high school and asikaze size sijatshane. Akaze kube khona ukuthi hawu suwenze lokhu kodwa nje angikwazi nje. Akaze kwaba khona into kanjalo. Sikhulile nje sakwazi uku-accommodateana even though sikwama-stages ahlukile empilweni. And that's what I admire about you. Anything ngifundile kuwe is to never compromise. Siphila compromise on anything. It's my studies, relationships, the career yakhe. Ufuna lento ayifunayo. If ufika into esondele akayifuni. Ayifuni nje into esondele, ufuna exactly lento ayicelile yena. And that's the biggest lessons I've learned from you. In anything, you stand by what you want and you never ever compromise. Okunye ungifundise kona nje usiphile njengoba esho mama ukusendlule into eziningi. Ngenkathi usiphilele phuma esibhedlela, usiphilele begcwele ama-jokes. Yazi bekuthusa. Usiphilele. So like you almost died. Umama uthi washona wavuka. Kodwa nje umuntu nje begcwele ukudlala nangesuku le operation yakhe. uyafaka izaza uyashutha ngithi uright kodwa ngimbuza ukuthi konke aside wena unjani uright athi nomngane impilo ngizowenza njani sekwenzekile yabo umuntu okwazi ukwamukela isimo. And I don't know how you do it, but kulula ukuthi adapt to how things are going at that time. And I think that is like a huge character trait to have. Like your strength is beyond imagination. It's beyond imagination because is still in a critical condition. I was when you spelling God, was on Tuluga, Santa Sacra right? Spell was Catalan, and see. It's Mina Yena Abuko could say Alimala. Like after the accident, she was Wahambo taking more. Like who's just there? But it shows how much courage you have. Yeah. Like Kuko going, we are one okay, fine, line corner manje. So what do I do next? Umfundisi lokningi mnganami ekukhuleni kwakho ngisho noma ubukude noma sibuye singakhulumi ngaso sonke isikhathi ngalesikhathi ebesibonana khona sikhuluma nje kube sengathi asikaze sahlukana. And ngiyabonga ukuthi nami umile nami ngekhathini enzima nje into besho uma ukuthi sesilile in case kwenzeka umshado Efungenzeki futhi akunankinga akunalutho kodwa nje yabona nje sikiselo uhle kahle kahle. It's not because Tabe is pressure. No, we want to see you happy, we want to see you growing and growing. Nje uqhubeke ngale ndlela oqhubeka ngayo ungamkhohlwa uNkulunkulu ukhonke owenzayo. Siyabonga ukuthi ube khona siyabonga uNkulunkulu kahle because we almost lost you, to be honest. Siyabonga. So mina ngiblame umuntu ufuna ukungena kuma jumping castle umuntu ufuna ukwenzani ungashushuluza la idakeni. Understand because you almost missed this opportunity. So from now onwards you can live your life to the fullest. Tekile manje ufundile, you have your degree, you have your whatnot, whatever you want. I need to see the judge. It's the balls in your court.
Sanibonani. Yebo. Nami ngamahloni. Ngikhuluma kakhulu but ngiyasaba yo. SP ngimazi ka grade 8 sasike class eli-1 high school siqala ngena high school. Yeah, it's been a journey. Very special place in my heart. Njalo mangino SP hlezi ngijabulile. Abantu bengawagetha ama-jokes wethu ukuthi sithini. So bayahlanya labo bathini kodwa thina kuhlekisa kuthina kumnandi. So even if whatever that you're going through, I knew ukuthi SP ubuyela kumama akekho sharp, but masi together asinazi lezo zinto nami ekhaya isimo sami ekhaya singekho right, but we come back when we together. Lokho sikubeka eceleni siyahlangana kuba mnandi. We even opted ukuthi silo ntunje unokuthi sithathe taxi siye down siyawalk from overboard. Siyawalk, we want to spend more and more time together sihleka kube mnandi. Ngoba mina enhle esho SP is very accommodating. Mina ngokomthetho angiyela umuntu obangagqoka kanje ngikhululeke. I never do this, but because I know where I'm going, ngingamukelekile noma nginjani as I am. Usiphilele ngiyazi ukuthi ungithanda njengoba nginjalo nami ngimthanda njengoba nginja like njengoba enjalo. Akekho omunye kumele perform ukuthi kumele act kanjena ukuze athande omunye. Samukelana sinjengoba sinjalo from kudala. USP na siyawazi ukuthi singakhuluma njengo mina enhlesho because after high school omunye ushone eKapa omunye usegoli sihlangana masikwazi ukuhlangana kodwa ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngipick up iphone ngithi SP ngiqala umsebenzi ngicela ungisize ngemali yokugibela akabuza izinto eziningi wangisiza So even uma Eastern Cape ngithi nge-26 ngiyahamba ingozi zedisemba angazi ngizobuye ngibone ngoba phela angeke ngikwazi ungamcelebrate umngani wami so bese sibone lokho because kubalekile kakhulu enhlizweni yami very big part in my heart ekhaya bayamazi nabo sisi bayangazi yeah so ngiyabonga kakhulu for our friendship very special although we don't talk kakhulu kodwa yohlezi esenhlizweni yami usisi ngoba esho minute usisi wami basically yeah siyabonga kakhulu for your character as well and I like the fact that you held as much as impilo ibe nzima endleleni kodwa you held on to your softness, you held on to your childishness. That's very special. You didn't let the world harden you. So siyabonga for that. Because that makes you you. Siyabonga.
Okay. Smash.
I know, I'm high school friends, siyabonga. Sometimes I'm no, I'm some of my high school friends. You guys mentioned a lot about the character Aspilele, and it is as it is, like as a shinche. Tina's taking Sanjalo every day, she's very robust and sure you're very accommodative, but it's that word was very important. Sabonga. Akulu ladies, ngizocela ukuthi aqhubeke ama varsity friends akhe. Angazi why ngabaliwe la.
Program director.
Nesicebiso as ama varsity friends na ubesho kuncane kulolu suku olukhulu lethu bakithi la mngani wethu omkhulu. Nami ngivarsity friend nje. Just so you know. Ngizocela ngosicebiso ke kodwa.
Ngiyanibingelela igama lami nguSicebiso.
Why are you wearing too much?
Wow, it's the theme, baby. It's the theme. Nami nginamahloni bengithi ngibuya ngekhamera abele baqala ngami. Usiphilele. How we met university, and literally the name Uphilela Mina, basically. Yazi Uphilela Mina. Like higher, wangithatha wangenza ingane yakhona. I've been here for almost my whole life. But you know, home is sweet. There's love at home. There's comfort at home. Everything was pure. That's it. Okay.
Igama lami Ndingani. Oh, Siphila nami ngimaze varsity. Mina noSiphileleke nje kusana. Same WhatsApp group, sihlezi sindawonye phela nendawo esihlala kuyo. Uhlala ePitoli mina ngihlala eGoli kodwa it's like 5 minutes away. Awoma ngithi nasemsebenzini bawoma ngithi ngiyaphuma. Uyabi ngeke weekend ngibhizi. Uyabi bayazi bathi noSiphilele. Manje sihlala la like mangiphuma nje emnyango ngithi kodwa vela akukho kude kangaka. Hospital ngoba sebesho like hospital guys nami nje ngingibona nomngani why force le relationship why force le relationship moyo wasithola sobathathu thina asikaze wathola mina ngathi eyi sengizomenze njani waphela nami ekhaya wafika ngoChristmas nasekhaya bamthanda wafika ngoChristmas angimemanga ngathi yabo usezile vele yabo ngiqala ngakamazi ngangazi uNkulunkulu usiphile ngithi bawubreathe hawu mangithi sengiyafika kaSiphilele ngoba vele seniyamazi nami bese ngikhona yini saseyini ngathi singiyafika hawu naba kaSiphilele nabo kusami banganikeza nje kamnandi ngelilanga nje ngiyahamba ngediplo ngamamkhulu ngelilanga ngezandile yabona nje like kaSiphilele vele banothando naye futhi unjalo uzokuthatha akwamukele like sometimes we sithi ukuphuma kancane yabo ezokumnandi kodwa ayiphela ukuthi yabo siphuma sithandayo wale sithandazo kuqala kodwa futhi nezakhaya futhi siyayithola Nkosi yami nje finances everything ukufunda hlezi ngesiphisha empilo so mnganami happy birthday happy birthday siyabonga happy birthday Beyonce sesiswimile lapha siyakufisela okuhle konke empilweni ayi aba nje mawumshado uvela uvele ngiyamthanda umcimbi ngizoba isitoromisi angaze ngibe isitoromisi kodwa mangavelanga futhi ngoba beshilo nabazali anginankinga futhi asinankinga naye futhi uyazi usiphilele kune-vacuum ngoba beshilo ukuthi ene-accident mina usiphilele ngafonela I think uviwe usiphilele mina ngiyaphenika ngivele ngiyime nje like ngifreeze usiphilele uthi sifonela ngokuseyahleka phela yini ehlekisayo yabo so nje guys siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nathi masiza njalo hlezi nisamukela nonke banjengane sizizwa sisekhaya
No, siyabonga ama-varsity friends. Ama-varsity friends awanawo namahloni. Awanawo amahloni ama-varsity friends njengama-high school friends. But-ke siyabonga kakhulu. Bazali bakithi nisinikeze omunye umngane ospecial kakhulu, othethayo, ostrict, onothando oluningi. Umuntu osifundisa umculo nje weshiyo nje usifundisa nangemali. Usiphilela kancane ukufonela ethi yazi ntwana inento ephuthumayo la awuthi 20,000 uthathe awunama-savings uyathetha nje umuntu othethayo so she's really accommodative siyabonga kakhulu usiphilele uKriskopelisa kakhulu evasithi ubesobala sila inqa yakhe no siyabonga kakhulu sizocela usizandile ukuthi asondele azokhulumela osisi nomzala unprepared speech angaze manje konke iyo
Unprepared speech for real, but I think I'm the only person who knew that I would be on this program compared to everybody else, but I'm still surprised. I'm still very unprepared, but to reiterate everything that has been said already, to reiterate everything that has been said, I think isho njalo nami ukuthi usiphilela kaqanjwanga nje. Besides ukusiphilela nathi ngiyabonga ukuthi realize ukuthi naye kufanele ukuthi aziphilele, and in all of the decisions that she has made to get to where she is now. Kuhle ukubona ukuthi uhamba ebuthi abantu abafana naye, that are just as loving as her, just as accommodating as her, because nami mengihlanganise nabangani bakhe mase behamba ngine ngikhumula ukuthi hawu konje ngibona abangani bakhe but mhlangene it's like ayikho leyo nto ukuthi wena usisikaSipilele plus abangani on the side. Ngiyabonga ukuthi ungithole ithuba lokuthi uzi-celebrate because you were very insisting on doing today. And ngenkathi usaqala ukuyikhuluma lento lena, it seemed like a very far thing njengoba sesifaka amabhinkini kunetha ngaphandle. But kuhle-ke futhi ukuthi omama bafikile. As you can see, we have a very matriarchal family, and it seems as though that will be the beginning and the end of this. But yeah, thank you for being you. Thank you for embodying the amount of love that you have for everybody. I don't think ukuthi khona omthanda ngokuhluka wonke abantu abala namhlanje, and bebengeke befike if you were not worth it. So I hope ukuthi nangaphandle njengoba sihlezi sikhuluma emaceleni ukuthi nalabo sihlangana nabo phambili sijike sibatshele ukuthi la ngiphuma khona angishodi ngothando. So I hope ukuthi everybody you encounter experiences that, and boo to everybody that doesn't experience you, because what a miss. So yeah, thank you. Nijabule bafowethu nidle nisuthe nasiyikhafini. Very important. Very very important ukuthi nihambe nisuthe ngempela. But siyabonga ukuba khona kwenu. And thank you for not caring about the rain, because the show goes on, whether it happens or not. But yeah, have a good day. Thank you. Love loads.
Thank you. Hey, look who's looking at
Perfect. I forgot a very important factor. Uspilele makes my son. And that is something everybody should know. And at the day Gambo Zakado, why on a very random day? Gambo Uspilele Lengano Siwa. But I just want everybody to know that Usimbo is ours because it's
Okay. Okay. Family drama. Family drama.
No, siyabonga sizandile sibonga kakhulu usiphilele usiphe abangani even with family nathi this is all extending. Yazi amantombazane maningi but nathi sikhona bakithi singabafana. No, this family is such a loving family. Angazi, I think usiphilele was brought up well. That's why that's one of to every single event like her. And sadinga usimema sayifika thina kaphiwe unkusa ifikela kaZandile siyabonga nje kakhulu guys ngokusikhulisela nangosisi. Nimkhulise kahle and usaya kude empilweni siyabonga kakhulu. Bese ngicela ukuthi umama Nhlahla asondele naye azokhuluma angiphethe speech namhlanje. Asho kumncane nje ukuthi uzothini kithi. Ela sukume naye akhulume nathi.
Zatina sasabe
Ngiyabingelela igama lami nguNhlanhla wakamotha umamkhulu ikhazini kaSiphilele edala senibizwa ngomama. Ngiyayibona lento le iyahluka sikhula fast kakhulu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi siye sathola lesimemo ukuthi siphiwe yithi why after Christmas but siyabonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi uyosipha opportunity nathi ukuthi sifike to celebrate this lovely soul, this beautiful soul, this episode. Especially the episode, guys. We want to have a status one. Every time we have a status, I'm like, wow. Wow. So, for me, Uspilele, every time, and I see Uspilele, and we thank God for that.
Kakhulu today asizanga ukubalisa sikhulume ngezinto futhi esidlule kuzo, but we thank God for izinto esidlule kuzo because ziyasiqinisa and ziyasikhulisa. Whatever situation okwandlula kuyo, if unomuntu angakaze andlule kuyo, akabi nale strength lesonaso or the wisdom ukubhekana naleyo nto leyo, but wena you have strength and wisdom, and I believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukuthembile. Ungablame. Don't blame anything. God knew. It's Wenkosi, I knew you before you were formed. He knew you stage and you're gonna conquer. So I remember when you were a baby, I'm sorry because not you were still young. I remember that so uNkulunkulu waqinisa wakhulisa kakhulu futhi ngibonga usiphile uhloko nonkululeko ngendlela enibambene ngayo example enhle kithi ngoba ukuthi asingavumi omunye ukuthi ezibuhlungu omunye ajabule ukuthi omunye ezibuhlungu. In the time of accident, what you did, you know, I saw strength as cool. Like calling this one, trying this, trying that. But at some point, I remember you to say that we went back to Tansi. Then one phone was going to still like a doctor problem. We were going from this doctor to this doctor. And the people made sure we see aslali kungagatholakala solution to this. Masipina ka doctors phela luyahleka. Umlobo uthi ungafeki, awukhola hayi. Ungakhohleli ungahleki, you know. So but we thank God for that ukuthi uNkulunkulu wahamba nawe waze wafika lana uJehova wagcina wakusindisa. So mina engakusho nje ukuthi ungakhohlwa ukuthi ubuyaphi. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi uJehova uthathe kuphi wabeka kuphi. Romans 8 verse 28 which I know that all things work together for good for those who love God and whom He has called according to His purpose. I believe that He has called you according to His purpose. It doesn't matter, you know, siyajajana too much. We all have a journey of Melisande Hood. Umunye ubaba wayehlala athi sola ngifakazi somehow. Ngobona. So mangidlule la ngizokwazi uku-understand lokho. If ever ngeke ngidlule esimeni sokuthi ngingabi nemali yesinkwa, if somebody else athi anginamali yesinkwa, I would know ukuthi kusho ukuthini ukungabi nemali yesinkwa. So we are in the journey and we thank God for the grace aphe yona. Ngifikisela konke okuhle mntanama. Nomshado mina ngiyakhisela.
Hallelujah.
Amen. Mina ngizobe ngiyala ne. So nje uNkulunkulu abe nawe akhulise abandisele nama qualifications akhule. Yabona seniqedile noma ngaqedi kahle sisazoyenza okunye and more properties and more big houses and more big cars, you know. We love you.
Hallelujah.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Kazi lumdala ngithi. Ngifike mama la, lozo program. Oh, siyabonga kakhulu amazwi amahle. Ngiyabona namhlanje ngigxile kule ekaSpar party. Ngizocela sibe sikhulume later leyo. Ela sibungazeni lo sisi. Njengamanje. Ngizocela ukuthi also ukubonga nami ngeke ngisakhuluma kakhulu ngoba sekusele usisi uNkulu ukuthi azokhuluma lo sisi bese uzokhuluma ke uMsiphathi emva kwalapho. Bese ngicela nje ukubonga laba abasuka kude ngiyazi ngeke izinto eziningi khona namhlanje. Abaswimile abaswimanga siyabonga kakhulu all your attention yezingane wethu. Ngane wethu siyabonga nathi ngokusethisa kusena kancane asishaye kwezinye insuku. Sithanda kakhulu mngani. Sicela ukusukume kumelo sisi.
Usiphilele ukufika kwakhe kuyena isikhathi esinzima. We lived with that, sakhubeka, saphila. We had to take care of them. Umama makahamba uhambe grade 9. Sakhubeka futhi. Take care of it. Amasizi ngeke kuze kwakhe sisemazweni. But still we took care of it. Angiziphakamisa ukuthi we took care of it. It was not our responsibility. But there is something Baba, whenever we were growing up, I instill ukuthi if you are fighting your back to back, no one is going to attack you. So if you are behind, we are having our backs on each other. I'm going to fight with that person. We are good. That person is going to have my back. So, you can't fight a fight. Because umuntu fighter naye or umuntu fighter we think that you are attacking them. Mangabe uzoza ngenze nomkhondo ngize kanti ngizolwela yena ngale. If ngeza nomkhondo bengizocabanga ukuthi ngilisa yena. Bakhipha umkhondo angikwazi. So if it's a back to back, that's how we're going to fight for each other. Baba called us the related force. Reason being, mawuthatha ibhodo lezulu ubeka ngaphandle. Ibhodo lezulu sustains a lot of heat more than heat le yakabhodo sendlini. Number 2, unyawo mawulikhipha unyawo oluyi-1 le-food ayikwazi ukuma. So if one of the legs goes away, kusho ukuthi uyadala. Isitha sisongena abangaphandle bazothi nanenzani. Usiphilele is a loving person. Usiphilele uyalwa makufanele alwe. Usiphilele uthethisa wonke umuntu makufanele athethise wonke umuntu. Usiphilele is my yini uyintonga yami. Angithi ngikhuluma ngosiphilele because it's all about usiphilele. Usiphilele uyintonga yami. Sihambe endleleni sikhula kunama-challenges esihlangabezana nawo. But if uzothi siphilele
drums ahlala ngingarelaya kuye ngiyabheja ngayo yes ngiyabheja ngayo so ekubeni isigameko sasihamba sonke kodwa umusa kaNkulunkulu wenza ukuthi siphilele aphile futhi siphilele kwaqala lokho because wazalwa isikhathi mayo kodwa awusiphilele because that name motivational speaker ART you are able to change the name wahambe kaHome Affairs angisafuna ukuba uNomsombuluko manje sengifuna ukuba uNkanyezi because igama lakho liyakulandela usiphilela noma ngabe sesithi siphilele athi kodwa mina ngiyaqhubeka uyenzile le party sithi kodwa siphilela athi kodwa mina party yami izobena amajabi cassette kodwa siphilela ukudala kangaka namajabi cassette what okungaphakathi unokhipha lokho okungaphakathi that's why she's able to relate even to interact with our kids Sipilele sisesilwini mabaya kungamncane nje uwo solusele wena kodwa ke kumncane phinda ifake inkani Sipilele singabo sisibakho siyakuthanda ngaso sonke isikhathi akukho la uthando lethu olofika lunqamuke khona hayi ukuthi asinama differences asifani nje basisoyi-3 ngiyamlwela i-advocate yakhe fiwe wherever she goes I'm her advocate so ungayeki ukuba uwe ungayeki ukuba i-character oyiyona akungabi khona umuntu okushintshayo ubuwena siyakuthanda
Siyabonga sisomdala manje sisiwethu omdala siyabonga amagama amahle kakhulu ngizocela nje ukuyishintsha kancane iprogram ngoba yonke into surprise la endlini ngisacela ama-babies ukuthi asukume azokhuluma akhulumela umamncane sesekhona isikhathi sixolele nje ngomsindo oso siyarenovate njengoba guys time efficient so what's babies
Kodwa into engayisho nje ukuthi umama sasebenza inzalo ugogo even though ungakhumbuli that much mara mangwanyinakekela wayinakekela face yanathi even though wayengekona esayithini nanizintethilenazenze wayenza ekhaya ayenza izinto nakhona sasekhaya umamncane uyazikhulisa umamncane abathanda umntwana abanye abakhonanga ukuza ngoba bakagogo nakhona kodwa into engayisho ukuthi umamncane ngizakele lapho kuphezulu yonke indawo umamncane angayenza noma yini Bibe strength I shake, I make you guys shake. Because what I want to unity. I make you guys think for me to be select. And no sound, it's going to go with Nakona nje isebenza
Siyabonga uNkulunkulu ngokusifundisa ngokutshentshenayo empilweni zethu.
Siyabona why isiphilele is so well spoken. Uvela ubize nje la khathi uzokhuluma bro. Siyabonga kakhulu mina ngiyithanda nami nonke bakithi. Uthi usiphilele emergency encane uyeza manje. But guys, ngicela ukuthi sinjeyeni angazi ukuthi kuhamba kanjani ama logistics nama menu. Ngicela uma kunenkinga okhona u refer to uPhiwe. She's the person to take two. Basafuna ukuyosila nakhona that's a swimmer. Siyaza nishare.
Akuyinafuna sonke emanzini.
Before iqale nje sicela sithulele ingoma singenize ngayo ingoma.
Miss Pat. Oh, Miss Pat.
Kamana musiphilele ngwandingani. Ave ngiphakeme kabi emsebenzini ngikhuluma kancane. Angazi ngithini. The reason why ngazi ukuthi ngithini is because I'm so happy. Like yes, this was the kind of vibe that I was going for, but I think this vibe is actually so much more than what I expected. I had this however, I think the feel, the love is just too much. Like quantify that, or how am I going to put it into words? But in summary, I think Lana, it's my life journey put into one picture, because I can actually see the people I've born to, not with, born to, the environment I was born to, obviously because I'm Azadi, and my choices. Over here with my choices, it's where I started to my choices, you understand?
and consequences of consequences. It's so no. Yes, exactly. That's where I was going. Was it some consequences? Yes, yeah. The results. Consequences, it's always a bad connotation around consequences, but sometimes it's honestly just consequences, results basically of the work you put in. It's like I was sitting back and realizing, I don't have many friends, but the friends that I have are yes, it's to think 5 years of high school, I got 2 friends. This is when I'm like, but like it's quality. It's I'm very grateful. I think I'm today. I think angeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngiyikhiphe inhliziyo yami ngiyibeke la ngintshengisa ukuthi how grateful I am ukuthi nikhona la. But most importantly, the invite was, or mase ngiqeda ukusend invite yabo vocal ngithi ufike uzodla. And that's all I'm asking of you guys. Ngicela ningaphumi la kwaNdingane or endaweni babiza ukuthi semphelandaba la. Ningaphumi la emphelandaba ningasuthi. Amen. Usisi lo qeda ukuphuma lapha uyena ozobe sendirect ukuthi ukudla khamba kanjani. However, I also have another request. There's a whiteboard, a white canvas board, and everyone ofikile like higher. We're just going to paint your hand and then you're going to put a handprint on there. I have to put it on my wall. But okay, guys, I'm so grateful. Like I understand. I'm so happy. Like you are guys. Everyone is welcome. I'll forever be grateful for this day. But it remains, I'm not jumping castle, very important. Angazi aba expect ukuthi siphile ukuthi baba expect kanjani ukuthi siphile la safuna ama jumping castle, but wonke umuntu allowed to dream. But ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngiyangithanda ngempela. Ngicela siqhubeke singazishoni lang DJ ngithava ingoma siqhubeke sojamba thina avela abangangeni emanzini vele bagodola istuff but that's the disadvantage of asasivele siyeke lapho. Ngiyabonga kakhulu senginadate and I'm so happy that you guys and everyone were able to come and celebrate this day with me. Distance, looking around, I can see the distance that was covered for everybody to come to this place, and I'll forever be grateful for what you did. And the journey. Now, sis Lozo, it's a short time.
Yimuduhle wendawo ke namhlanje mawuzwa nje ngathi uyoma hayi ukudla
ngiyabonga kakhulu ngiyabona ngathi ngiyazi babeze ngilambile mina ngiyabonga kakhulu ne
Beyonce,
happy birthday, Beyonce.
Siyabonga kakhulu program director ulungisana umnqobe ningiqashe next time. still home, peaceful at home, please enjoy. Sipilele siyabonga usibiza sonke nahlana, we really appreciate your friend. Ayo yonke into ngicela sibuyele emanzini. Sideni. Okay, yeah.
Sinayokosi.
Yabonga.
Una, two. Una, 10. Una, 25. Una, 40. Una, 50. Una, 30.
Abahlala bafuna umsindo majoritini Petishini thola ama signature Abahlala bafuna umsindo majoritini
Party don't start till I walk in.
Ibadi shy ibadi
Maspalang salita, ipate strati community, selling down. Maspalang salita, ipate strati community, selling down.
I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love. I told my girls you can get it. Don't slow it down, just let it go. So in love.
Danke Pido, culo culo.
We like to party.
Let's dance in style, let's dance for a while. Heaven can't wait, we're only watching the skies. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb or not? Let us die young or let us live forever. We don't have the power, but we never say never. Sitting in a sandpit, life is...
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on it.
Manje usho nesound yazakala la? No. Ukuyikhatheke le part engibuza kanje. Ke ngeke ngiyibuke. Ngizokureporta.
Welcome to Waiting Around 30th birthday yamngani wami kwalipete yethu but yes sikhophekile simanzi sikhophekile
It's in Lungsang.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Made with love.
With 3 hearts, gets 3 gifts.
Look shy.
Abahlala bafuna umsini emajaridini Ethishini thola ama signature Abahlala bafuna umsini emajaridini
Party don't start till I walk in.
Unboxing. Cute stuff. Ngiyacela nempem. Ay, mo. Kubekeni.
Usuka kanjani?
Hayi mase ngedithe ngiyakujwela. Kuba nzima kanjani? Yiyo le abadlala ngayo.
Unamcebo?
Yiyo le abaqeda ukudlala ngayo la. In late juice. Oh. The juice. Thank you. Made with love. Sana ngathi ngirekhodisa nangenkani nje. By 5 by 4.
Vele urekhodisa ngani?
Yee, maKendrick Lamar. Whoa, wait.
Iyo.
Ngizokutataza.
You are shaking, my guy.
I am shaking.
Ain't say I'm record. That's I was recording. How do you feel, my friend? Tired.
But I'm not drunk yet, so I feel like I've wasted the parts. So now, someone in Kichimise Uplake.
No, abahamba bathathu.